All right. Hello and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be talking about how privileged accounts get exploited. Okay, so it's a pretty fairly simple situation here. Old, stale passwords, non-vaulted accounts that don't have any protection around them, leave the door wide open for hackers or bad actors. Could be insiders, insider threats can come into your environment and lay in wait and wreak havoc within the environment. So I also want to stress that hackers do not break into your system. They log into your system. Now, this is very important. So take a look at this. So privileged accounts give elevated rights to network capabilities and data access, information, and so forth. Some of these tools that can be used are phishing attacks, brute force attacks, credential stuffing, and so forth. So once they're inside, though, the trouble starts, and this is where we can get into information harvesting. We can get into attacks such as we're going to do malware, or we're going to lock you out of your system unless you pay the ransom. These are things that are in place. Those are kind of on the high end. So some of the other ones are data leakage from insider activity. Could be even vendors, contractor access. Data leakage is a big one. If we don't put safeguards around our access and what needs to be a part of the privileged access story. So what we're going to do to create a defense strategy around that is, again, to deploy a PAM solution, privileged access management solution, that's going to entail least privilege for these accounts. So basically you're logging in with the least amount of privilege necessary to do your job, and then elevate that privilege as necessary. So we're stepping up that privilege. Some of the other elements that we're going to add around the session and how it's managed is session monitoring, recording. So what we're going to do there is monitor and record the session as it's happening within the system, and then we can do a playback. And we do a playback for a variety of reasons: see what went wrong, it's for training exercises, and maybe getting to the root of the matter. And what we can also do as part of the Zelenia solution is we can analyze that video in the form of using artificial intelligence. So we can scan the video, highlight the hot spots within the video. Gives you the capability to watch a 2-hour video, jump right to the spots that you really want to focus on, and take action. And lastly, within the privileged access management story, the easy way to thwart bad actors is simply rotating the password. And we can do this by vaulting the password, vaulting the credentials. Therefore, then we can have expirations on the password. We can then automatically rotate it, rotate the service accounts that are associated with it, and have that a part of your defense strategy as you're trying to protect these privileged accounts. Okay? Thank you.